Can you solve this without the use of calculator? Let's find out how to solve this retrogressive power expression without the use of calculator. And I'll surprise you by using just logic and some algebraic formulas. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now let's get started. Now from this expression, you'll come to see that something is common between these two expressions and something is common between these, and this is the only digit or number without a power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a common term found in this first expression. 9 to the power of 4 is common, and this will give me 9 plus 1, right? Plus this 9 to the power of 2 is common, and this will give me 9 plus 1, because if I divide this expression by 9 to the power of 2, I'll be left with 9, and this will be plus 9, and that will give us the expression what we are looking for. Now from these two expressions in the bracket, we can have this to become 9 multiplied by 10, right? Plus 9 to the power of 2 multiplied by 10 plus 9. So what do you see among this expression? That 10 is common. So I'm going to bring out 10, and if I bring out 10, this whole expression divided by 10 is simply going to give me 9 to the power of 4, plus this whole expression divided by 10 is simply give me 1 to the power 9 to the power of 2 plus 9. Great. Now if I want to expand this, I'll look at the two contents or the two numbers in the bracket, and you see that I can still expand that. So 10 can still be multiplied by, if I make this to be 9 to the power of 2, which is still common among those two, I'll have this to remain 9 to the power of 2 plus 1, right? And that will give me 9 to the power of 2 plus 1, and this whole thing will be plus 9, and that will give me the solution to that expression. Now what do I do next? I'm going to expand this. If I expand this, I'll have my 10 multiplying 9 squared is going to give me 81, right? Multiplying 9 squared plus 1 is going to give me 82, right? And this will be plus 9. Great. So from that expression, you can come to see that I can simply expand, because 81 can give me 80 plus 1, right? And 82 can simply give me 80 plus 2, right? And this will be plus 9, and everything will be multiplied by 10. Now if you look at that expression very well, you can see that I can go algebraic, because if I decide to go algebraic, I will want to take the value of my 80. I will let 80 to be equal to y. So wherever I see 80, I'm going to replace it with y. So this is going to give me 10 multiplied by y plus 1, and this will give me what? Y plus 2, and this will be plus 9. Great. So if you look at that expression very well, we are going to simply expand this. So we're going to have 10 multiplied by y squared, because y times y will give us y squared, plus y times 2 is going to give us 2y, plus, right? If we expand that expression, it's going to give me 2y plus y, and then plus 2 times 1 is going to give me 2. So that will give me 2, and all this will be plus 9. So from that expression, you come to see that 10 will now multiply y squared plus 3y plus 2, and all these will be plus 9. So from our initial expression, you come to see that 80 is equal to y. So if I substitute 80 for the value of y, I'll have 10 all multiplied by 80 squared plus 3 multiplied by 80 plus 2, and this will be what? Plus 9. So what would this give me? This is going to give me 10 multiplied by all this in bracket. This is going to be 64,000 plus 8 times 3 is going to give me 24. Then my 0, 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2, and all these will be plus 9. So if I simplify this expression, I'm now going to have my 10, add this, 2 plus 0 plus 0 is going to give me 2, right? And then I'm going to have the next number, 4 plus 0 is going to give me 4, right? The next number I'm going to have is 2 plus 4 is going to give me 6, and then I'll have my 6, and all this will be plus 9. So 10 multiplied by that, we simply add 0 to those digits, and that will give me 64420 plus 9. So if you add that to 9, that whole expression we'll have there will now be equal to 66429. And that's the solution to that retrogressive power expression we are given up there. So you see, without the use of calculator, I have concluded or found the value for that expression given to us there. If you did find value watching this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.